Good morning, my dear children. We have completed 11th chapter in GK. Today I am going to explain you about chapter 12 about plants. In this chapter you will learn about different features and character of a different kind of plant. Let's start from coconut tree. Coconut tree is known as the tree of thousand uses. As each part, this is a stem, leaf, fruit, branches, each part is used for some purpose. It is a type of a nuts. It contains 354 calories of energy. This plant grows from sandy soil. The coconut oil used for cooking, skin, hair. The husk. The husk is used in making rope. Tree leaves is used in thatching. The stick of coconut tree is used in making brooms. This is a coconut water. It is very rich, healthy and refreshing drink. Next is this is a Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. ट्रैप मतलब कैप्चर करना, इंसेक्ट को पकड़ना. Venus flytrap is a flowering plant, best known as this is a carnivorous plant. Carnivorous plant. It leaves close in less than a second. It's close in a second, and teeth like spike on the edge. This is the edge. Stop larger insect from escaping. This is an insect eating plant. This is a cactus. Cactus grow in a hot and dry places. Most cactus plants have no leaf at all. The fleshy stem have spike on them to discourage animals from eating them. Cactus leaf convert in a spike or thorns. This is a dandelion seeds. dandelion. This is a dandelion seeds. Plants spread their seed with the help of wind, animal and bird. Dandelion seed bloom throughout the growing season with greater activity in the spring and fall depending on temperature and moisture conditions. Seeds are produced throughout the summer. Spreading of seed is called seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Dispersal. This is a Rafflesia flower. Lesia. Rafflesia flower. It is the world's largest flower found in Indonesia. It is about 1 meter wide and weight up to 11 kg. Its leaves roots and stem cannot be seen. It smells like a rotten meat which attract insects. This is a tree trunk. Grow a new layer of wood. Each year, in the cross section of the trunk of a tree, you can see ring, one ring, second ring, third ring of wood. By continuing the number of rings, we can find out the age of the tree. With the help of this ring, we can find out the age of the tree. This is a date palm tree. Date palm has a lot of medicinal use which include cold fever, sneeze, many of them. A date palm can grow up to 30 meters high and can live for almost 200 years. 200 year तक ये ग्रो कर सकते हैं. हाइट कितनी है? 30 मीटर. The banana plant is not a tree but it is a herb as its trunk is not woody and it has no branches. Student, this is all about the 12th chapter. Learn spelling of each plant and characters and features. Thank you and have a nice day.